In every major city, the same scenario. Cars keep circling, time is wasted, space is disappearing. But the parking problem today is no longer just a driver's problem. It is a problem of the entire system. The idea for VIPPA did not happen by accident. It was born during a time when the company's founder, Julian Graf Dracul, was living and working in Austria. Facing the limitations of modern cities, he asked a crucial question: how do you solve parking without expanding the city itself? The answer to that question brought him back to Serbia. On December 1st, 2022, in Novi Sad, inside the Science and Technology Park, VIPPA Group was founded with one clear idea: parking should not expand, it should be redefined. During 2023, that idea gained its technical foundation. Complete documentation was developed, systems, mechanics, and operating principles were defined. The groundwork was created, and the energy to build the first VIPPA tower was born. The first step was the development of vertical parking systems, VIPPA 12P, 14P, and 16P. Systems that use a circular movement principle, where vehicles move vertically, similar to a paternoster system, efficiently, quickly, and without delays. On a surface of only a few dozen square meters, less than 40 square meters, these systems can accommodate up to 16 vehicles. No ramps, no circling, no wasted time. This approach does not only change logistics, it directly contributes to reducing CO2 emissions and optimizing urban space. Parking stops being the problem, it becomes part of the solution. Alongside the physical system, digital support was also developed through the VIPPA application, allowing reservations, management, and integration with modern systems, including electric vehicle charging. But the key moment arrives at the end of 2024. VIPPA Group makes a strategic decision. It acquires a factory in Beška and establishes VIPPA Factory. At that point, development turns into production, and the idea becomes an industrial product. Inside its own production facility, the first vertical eco-garages begin to take shape, fully designed and manufactured in Serbia, with a clear goal: a 100% domestic product with global potential. VIPPA Group quickly becomes recognized on the international stage. It participates in the Business Forum in Yahorina and at Web Summit in Lisbon, one of the largest technology events in Europe. The company also appears in key institutions, including the government of the Republic of Serbia, and expands its regional presence through activities in Bosnia and Herzegovina, including Brčko. Soon, interest begins to exceed the domestic market. Inquiries arrive from Italy, Spain, Croatia, Hungary, confirming that the problem VIPPA is solving is not local, but global. At the end of 2025, VIPPA achieves its first international licensing model through the sale of a license in Bosnia and Herzegovina, with an established local representation. At the beginning of March 2026, VIPPA opens a representative office in Montenegro. This model creates space for further expansion through partnerships with cities across Europe. Through concessions and public-private partnerships, VIPPA is building the foundation for scalable urban development. As recognition for sustainability and innovation, VIPPA Group receives the award for Green Projects and Sustainable Development. Alongside parking infrastructure, VIPPA also develops additional innovations through VIPPA Media. LED 3D facades can be integrated directly onto the tower structure, transforming it into a modern, dynamic media platform. But the development does not stop there. VIPPA goes one step further and introduces a concept that pushes the boundaries of infrastructure: the VIPPA Triple Tower, an integrated system that combines three towers into a single functional mechanism. On a very small footprint, up to 48 parking spaces, an observation deck at 23 meters, and a landing platform for flying vehicles at 28 meters. At a time when the world is talking about flying taxis and new forms of transportation, one question is often ignored: where will those vehicles land? VIPPA provides the answer through infrastructure that can already exist today. As confirmation of its development, innovation, and strategic direction, in February 2026, VIPPA officially receives a place at EXPO 2027 from the President of the Republic of Serbia. becoming part of the global vision of future urban mobility. From an idea born abroad, to development in Serbia, to production and international recognition, VIPPA today shows that world-class solutions can be created right here. And from here, they can change the way cities function.